So now here we have another polynomial. You'll notice that there are two terms. Now the difference of squares, the sum of cubes, the difference of cubes, all of those have two terms in them. So we look for that. But we should always look for a greatest common factor first. And so 4 happens to go into 500, so we're going to factor out a 4 right at the beginning. So we get 4 times 125p cubed plus q cubed. So that's going to make inside the parentheses the sum of cubes. So I'm going to pull out that formula. A cubed plus b cubed factors into a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b cubed. So it takes a little while to get used to the formula, but that's what we're going to do. And so we're going to think of that 125p cubed. Think of it as 5p cubed. And then the q cubed, well, think of that as q cubed. And the reason I write it that way is a really common mistake for students. They don't think of the cubed root. So, so you've got all this in parentheses, and then the 4 is just out front because that was the GCF. Okay, so my A is going to be the 5p, and the B is going to be the Q. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to leave myself a lot of room, hopefully. The 4 is still going to be out front. Then I'm going to have, and I'm following this form right now. So the A, which is 5p, put the 5p there, plus, and then we bring in that bracket, 5p squared minus 5p. Okay, we're done with the A then. The A went there, and it went there, and it went there. And now we're going to put in the B, which is Q. So it goes here, it goes here, and then finally it's going to be, oh, I wrote that wrong. Dang. That's supposed to be a Q squared. Probably you were wondering about that. That was supposed to be a Q squared there. Sorry. Okay, so there it is. It's very colorful. And now we just have to clean it up a little bit. So the 4's in front. Then we have 5p plus q. Now we have to square out the 5p, so that's going to be 25p squared minus 5pq plus q squared. And then that's how it factors right there. So we want to take out the greatest common factor first on all of these problems. This time there was one, so we had to get that factored out first.